Welcome to my baking diary. This is Hafsa and today we're going to make this delicious no spread sugar cookies. This recipe is the best for cutout cookies. So start by adding your sugar to your room temperature butter and then give that a nice quick mix until it's nice and creamy. I beat this for about 5 minutes. So here I have my flour and I've added in my baking powder and also some salt, and I've sifted it up and I'm going to add it to my cream mixture in 3 portions. So first add in the first portion of your flour and then give that a quick mix until it's all nice and combined with your mixer. Make sure that you pause and scrape down the sides of your bowl. Next, add in the second portion of your flour, and this time you can use your spatula to bring it all together until it's all combined. Repeat the same process for the third portion of your flour, and then finally you can add it to your work surface and then bring it all together until it's all nice and combined like a smooth dough. So once it's all brought together, make sure you press it down and shape it like a flat square, as this will help you roll out and cut out your cookies easily. So I've used some cling film and then I'm going to wrap it up and leave it in the fridge for at least 8 hours. If you can't leave it for 8 hours, I'd advise you to at least keep it in the fridge for 4 hours. So now that our cookie dough is out of the fridge, I'm going to cut it out into smaller portions and then roll and cut them out, as it will make it easier for us to do it in small portions. So here I have a rolling pin that already has size guides in it on each side of the roller, but if you do not have a roller like this, then you can use same size rulers that are slightly thick so that it can give you the same size of the thickness of your cookies. So I've rolled my dough and I'm using a circle cutter to show you that this cookie dough will hold its shape. So once you've rolled it out, use a small spatula and then slowly release it from your work surface and then leave it on your baking tray. So once you've done it for all your cookies, make sure that you leave it in the fridge again for at least 15 minutes. Trust me, if you do this, your cookie dough will hold its shape and will be the perfect shape that you cut it in. So once it's been in the fridge for 15 minutes, bake it in 180 degrees oven for 10 to 12 minutes. As you can see now, the edges of your cookie are slightly brown. This is the stage you want to take your cookie out. If you leave it more than this, your cookie will be very hard. As you can see here, I've used my cutter and as you can see, it has not spread at all and it's come out perfect. It has a nice crack and I can tell you it tasted absolutely delicious. So please try this out and please subscribe if you already haven't, as I will be bringing you more recipes every week. Thank you so much. Check out my other videos on this channel.